Salut, salut. Bon, petit stream retour après plusieurs mois d'absence, bien évidemment, sinon c'était pas drôle. Donc on se retrouve sur des jeux un peu totalement différents de ce qu'on a pu faire pour l'instant, c'est-à-dire Dispatch. Dispatch qui est un excellent jeu avec des QTE, des choix et une sacrée bonne histoire, n'empêche. Enfin, je dis ça, mais ayant eu quelques que quelques trucs, mais bon, je connais quand même certaines choses pas plus importante sur certains points, mais bon, c'est ce qu'on va quand même découvrir au fur et à mesure. Donc voilà. Donc on se retrouve sur du dispatch pour changer. Et puis pourquoi pas, on va dire, hein. Hop, j'écris ça. Mais bon. Bon. Déjà, on va régler un peu l'audio. Je vais un peu le baisser parce que je vous avoue que dans mes oreilles, c'est un peu fort. Voilà, accessibilité générale. Putain, ils ont en français. Bah, du coup, je vais désactiver les sous-titres. Ah, quoique. Ouais, si, je vais quand même laisser les sous-titres au cas où. Oui, bien sûr. Ah, comme ça, on recommence tout. Hein. Pour le coup, c'est bien parce que c'est le genre de jeu qui est. Quand t'as envie de te changer les.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad.
J'ai bien marqué langue française. Mais pourquoi c'est pas en français alors? Si on a aperçu les sous-titres, oui, mais ça, je m'en fous. Il faut quand même les. C'est une dinguerie.
What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious.
C'est pas grave.
So,
Au moins, on a les sous-titres.
again, how do you really feel about your father?
Mais ouais,
It's as if
ça, c'est le
maybe
genre de
it's a
jeu.
little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
Look, he's gone.
Mais
It's
ouais,
a bit
c'est
of
le
an
genre de jeu
understatement.
où, franchement, t'as
So,
pas envie de te
Oh,
compliquer
he's
la vie.
more than gone because he's fucking dead. That's the most gone you can
Tu
be.
suis
just
l'histoire,
feel sensitive.
t'as du lore
Like if
suivant
I
tes
didn't
trucs,
love
et voilà,
him,
hein.
we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me.
Avec le
So,
gros dos,
here's
avec
what's
le
gonna
gros
happen.
dogo.
I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me
Pour le
how
coup, non,
Shroud
je n'ai
killed
pas du tout mis le
and what
filtre
happened
parce que je
after
m'en
that.
bats les
Come
couilles.
on, man, we're having a breakthrough.
Hey, kid, no. What do you
T'as
really
Maka, il
think?
m'a dit que ça faisait
I
un
may
truc
be
un
a
peu dégueu, mais
doctor,
bon,
but the only breakthrough I need
ça
right
va.
now is the location of Shroud.
Je pense pas non
I'm
plus
not
quoi.
telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I
Je
want
pense
it.
qu'il va lui
I
faire un
hope
petit
Shroud
bisou.
kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy issue bitch ass to death, you hear me?
Eh ben, il a des choses à dire, l'enculé.
Windy up here tonight.
Why are you inside?
Ouais, ça va.
Staying where you live.
Franchement,
Smells
pour avoir été, je
outside
crois,
smells.
jusqu'à la fin de l'épisode 1 et 2, ça
Wait,
va,
wait,
hein.
wait!
Y a rien.
Neighbors, use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Puis
Okay,
ça va.
okay.
Je suis une petite chaîne
Steel,
Twitch.
we're running Llewellyn Steelworks,
Je pense
okay?
pas avoir de problème avec ça,
Are
hein.
you sure about that?
That's all I know.
Stop screaming, god damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up fuck down.
La question maintenant c'est, est-ce qu'on le laisse vivre ou... Ah Parce que bon, lui, qu'est-ce qu'il veut nous casser les couilles, je sens. Putain. Allez, Kélo, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On le ramasse ou on le fait tomber? La vie ou la mort? Ouais, enfin, après, je pense pas non plus que ça va le tuer.
Sir, if you want something to scream about, I'll give you something to scream about.
Bon, ça va, il est tombé dans la poubelle.
You piece of shit!
Hey,
Il
I
s'en
have a
souviendra. Ah,
perfectly good mattress to make sure you didn't die, okay?
je
You're
pense que du coup,
welcome.
ça va encore plus nous casser les couilles, ça. Et là, hop, on appuie. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais je sens qu'on va le regretter plus tard. Mais là, ce que je comprends pas, c'est qu'il n'y a pas la langue française, du coup. Alors que pourtant, j'ai bien mis le français. Pareil, t'es là, t'as un garage avec les voitures de l'appartement et tout. Et là, t'as ce mec avec son putain de méca. Il s'est dit fuck it, je vais l'y laisser. Poup. Ouais. Là, moi, en vrai, ce que j'aime bien, c'est les petits QTE comme ça. Parce que certes, t'as une scène d'action, mais au moins, qui participe quand même un minimum. Et voilà, heureusement que t'as une bonne couverture sociale. Et non, nous sommes aux États-Unis. J'espère au moins que le patron le paye bien. Music.
Time to finish this.
Alors, putain, c'est vrai que c'est en WASD. Je vais directement bouger avec la souris. Merde. Attends. Bah d'abord elle est là. Heureusement que c'est pas chronométré.
Alright, next one.
Et on va pas se revoir. Parce que là je sens que sinon après ça aurait été infernal. Merde.
Just one more.
Oui bah besoin de me le dire, trou du cul. Ah merci. Voilà. T'es un enculé. Tu préfères le chocolat ou les noirs? Vous avez pas honte? Après le chocolat noir reste quand même bien meilleur, n'empêche. Je dis pas, mais le chocolat noir.
Can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Because it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud!
Voilà, pas besoin de se faire
Oh,
chier.
build up face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit.
Putain,
What the fuck is Shroud?
c'est quoi cette gueule de
Oh,
merde?
hey,
Ouais, comment ça raciste? Je préfère le chocolat noir, pas le chocolat blanc. Le chocolat blanc, c'est une hérésie du chocolat. Écoute-moi bien, ce n'est même pas vraiment du chocolat. C'est de la putain de crème de merde.
Pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was, and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss.
On va l'écraser puisque c'est un gros fils de pute.
I get it.
Voilà. Trou du cul de merde. Avec ta coupe à la con. Mais comment ça, gros raciste? Oh! Allez, les deux ils ont décidé de me casser les couilles. Comment ça je suis raciste? Je préfère le chocolat noir au chocolat blanc, quel est le problème? Où est le racisme dans ça? Je vous imagine comme ça hein, dans le chat. Ah, c'est vrai qu'il y a les emotes qui peuvent apparaître sur l'écran. Oh, on voit sa bite. J'ai oublié qu'on la voyait autant dès le début.
That works on so many levels.
Yeah, no, that's the point.
Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them, but when you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Ah. Là on se fait un peu laminé quand même. Bah. Fais chier. Ah, ouais, ce que vous me faites faire.
Figures.
Tu pues. Va te faire enculer. C'est à cause de toi que je perds. Je vois tes messages et je vois le cuteux qui apparaît d'un coup. Ah! Mais l'autre avec sa bite qui se fait trimballer par terre. Ah, ça va faire mal ça. Belle bite. C'est pas l'écran titre, connard. Tu casses les couilles. Allez, gros caca. Bah, vas-y si tu veux. Il a un bouclier. Waouh. Il aurait pas pu utiliser ça genre dès le début quasiment. Et là, comme de par hasard... Bah oui, il a un biais, connard. On le voit depuis tout à l'heure. Avec son petit cul en plus.
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but boss man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about that thing.
Et là, ta-down, c'était vrai.
Buddy, Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral
Wow.
energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage.
Ça fait pas beaucoup de temps ça.
If you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative earlier.
You're bluffing.
Hey, Math Blaster, I don't give a fuck, okay? I'm just the messenger.
La game, ça le gueule encore plus avec son côté toxique lui.
Fuck it.
Dans tous les cas, ça aurait rien changé, hein, je pense. Que j'ai justement l'ignorer ou autre.
All goes left. Now get out of there, babe.
Come on.
Et là, badaboum.
Yeah. Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
C'est... Il a joué dans le pantalon apparemment. Ah bah tiens, il est en train de tomber. C'est pas comme Iron Man. Ça n'a aucun rapport. T'es vraiment un sale aigri, toi, par contre. TG, va te faire enculer. Il est content, parce que vous voyez pas, vous. Mais moi, j'ai son petit retour caméra en bas de mon petit écran. Et je vois avec son petit sourire, là. Ah, par pitié. Crampté, mais va te faire enculer. Et l'autre, il est content, il a marqué quoi, coup crampté. T'as fait quoi aujourd'hui, Natfor? Bon, j'étais sur le chat de mon pote, j'ai marqué Coco crampté, j'ai rigolé. T'as fait quoi après? Bah, je suis allé me pendre. Non, je suis violent, sanglier. Bon, ah, chacun ses kinks après. Voler. Ouais, je pense que c'était plutôt la première option, mais t'as pas voulu l'assumer. Euh, Je pense que la première option était même la plus pratique parce que voler c'est chaud quand même.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Et là, on met que des
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily. Do you have anything to say to your fans? Public outpouring,
Non.
visuals. A lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
Everything I've done, every sacrifice me and my family have made has been for the people of Los Angeles.
En vrai, je repense quand tu faisais tu sais, les passages sur scène, tu sais, pour les trucs d'éloquence. Je t'imagine prendre le micro et péter sur le micro.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, boys. Are you
Je
tired?
t'i- je t'imagine prendre le micro et là,
Let's get it on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. Alright, just one more, please. I gotta get back to,
l'idée de génie pour commencer un bon discours.
preferably
Bah oui, ça je sais, mon
something
pote.
sincere.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
Bon, il a bien résumé la situation, n'empêche.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you?
Non mais vraiment, il a vraiment une tête à claque ce connard. Hein.
It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right. You're unimportant.
Oh là là, mais
Which leads me to
ferme
my
ta...
next question. Most
Allez, ferme ta gueule.
You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if you were here right now?
Passe la tabac. Ah, j'aimerais bien.
Your
Ah,
dad,
attaquer.
they must be rolling over in their graves.
Allez hop. Attends, oh, attends, en vrai, je vais me démute. Je pense que c'est plus drôle si tu parles en vrai. Déjà que ça l'est. On l'a enculé ce journaliste de con.
Parce que je voulais qu'il le fasse parce que je l'avais vu sur enfin, quand Polo il jouait, j'avais vu le début et j'avais vu qu'il pouvait le frapper et genre Polo il pensait que attaquer c'était en mode rétorquer.
Mais moi aussi, je pensais que c'était ça.
Non 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 non.
Assholes. Yeah, just put the TVs back and you can leave.
J'ai entendu
Anything
ton
to the
truc, c'est
cops,
horrible.
and this doesn't need to escalate.
Who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30.
Mais moi aussi, je pensais que attaquer, genre c'était attaquer sur rétorquer, genre.
Ah, non 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 non. Non, non, non. C'est pas rétorquer non.
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose. Who's just being
T'imagines qu'il fait ça dans la vraie vie?
With nothing you have?
Le mec,
Ouais,
il
bah,
pose...
c'est
Tu
ça.
whatever it takes
sais, pendant l'oral, quand on pose une question, attaquer,
idiots like you.
coup de tête,
Attaquer.
un gros coup de tête dans,
You're hurt.
dans l'inspecteur.
Attaquer l'examinateur.
Thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
C'est vrai que ça faisait coup de poing gauche. Bon, ouais, c'est vraiment une victime pour le coup là. Là, il se fait juste matraquer la gueule là.
Vraiment. Mec, il y a tellement de délais sur ton stream par contre.
Bah, y a pas de délai sur PlayStation.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
Attends, caca.
Hi, I'm Blum.
6 secondes. Au moins 6 secondes.
Attends,
Blazer.
j'attends. Regarde bien l'écran et tu vas compter le temps que ça remet. Je vais revenir sur le jeu.
Non, je recharge le stream, je recharge le stream. Ah, attends. C'est peut-être moi qui bug.
Il y en a, attends. Et à la limite 2-3 secondes de différence, hein, gros, même pas.
C'est possible, c'est possible.
I work over at Superhero Dispatch
Merde, qu'est-ce que
Network.
je...
Hey, hi, yeah, I know who you are. You're like
Celebrity.
famous.
Ah, ok,
Oh,
même pas.
I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real
Ok,
deal.
4-5 secondes.
You're the famous
Non, mais c'est toi là par contre qui bug.
Non, non. C'est vraiment le délai normal
I
sur
don't
Twitch. Hein.
think infamous
Euh,
is the same as
Oh.
famous, but
Oh god, your arm.
Tu sais que tu peux rajouter du délai. Hein.
Ouais, mais ça sert à rien.
oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you
Surtout
done
pour les
this
mecs
before?
qui
'Cause
streament
maybe.
des jeux en ligne qui veulent éviter de se faire stream hack.
Ouais, mais bon, c'est pas un jeu où je vais pouvoir me faire stream à quoi autre.
That's okay.
Puis à la limite, je m'en bats les couilles.
One of them is on that roof. You look like you could use a drink.
Voilà.
What makes you say that?
J'ai vraiment l'air d'un clodo comme
C'est
ça.
qui l'autre personne qui a mis le stream?
Je... C'est sûrement mon retour. Ouais. Parce que j'ai les...
Ok.
Bah là, mais j'ai mon retour pour voir le chat et tout.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean?
Ah putain, d'ailleurs,
Dicks?
anecdote du jour. J'étais au Super U m'acheter les steaks hachés, que ça.
Didn't know what I meant, but
Et
what-
quand j'arrive, tu sais, j'entends un gamin qui dit non mais j'ai envie de me... Enfin, tu sais, je vais me barrer et tout. Et il dit non mais t'as des mecs qui disent non mais faut que t'attendes ta daronne. Et je sais pas qui c'est. Enfin, tu sais, je voyais pas au tout début et tout. Si pourri, va te faire enculer. Et en mode, je regarde, t'as pas en fait un gamin qui est aveugle. Et sa mère en fait l'a déposé avec genre les clodos et les mecs dehors. Et sa mère a vraiment fait attendre le gamin dehors avec ces gens-là, le temps qu'elle aille s'acheter des trucs et tout. Et on sait, enfin je sais pas où est-ce qu'elle était et tout.
Attends, mais acheter des trucs pas à la boulangerie ailleurs, genre?
Mais non mais c'était à Super U, c'était pas Ange.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Mais voilà. Et t'as un moment, t'as l'agent de sécurité qui est venu parce que tu sentais qu'il commençait un peu à casser les couilles au gamin.
Millions.
Ouais.
So you understand.
Bon, déjà que c'est un...
C'est quand elle allait faire ses courses?
Ouais, vraiment.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire
Et
inheritance going
je sais, mais tu sais, je sais pas pourquoi, mais
tape and
ça m'a encore
shit.
plus choqué le fait que ce soit un gamin, mais en plus qu'il soit aveugle.
Why did you
Je me dis quand même le niveau d'irresponsabilité de la daronne. Hein.
everything to be a superhero to the point of financial
T'es là, t'as un gamin, il est le plus vulnérable possible. Non, je vais le laisser avec les gens qui sont limite bourrés à chaque fois que je les croise au Super U.
I don't know. I guess I just like helping people.
Pourtant, il y en a certains, tu sais, ils ont l'air super sympas et tout, tu vois, mais
drunk yet or what?
la plupart qui étaient là,
Yeah,
c'était
I
pas les
should
mieux, quoi.
probably switch into water.
Good, because I was hoping after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition.
Elle veut baiser.
I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, I have to say, Blazer, that does sound intriguing.
That's actually not water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water.
Dégueulasse.
How it has ice in it.
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be
On
embarrassing.
dirait un peu quand même Étienne.
I'm gonna go.
Dans le sens où, bah, d'habitude je bois la bouteille, mais là je voulais faire plaisir.
Ouais, vraiment.
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch!
Ça c'est une bonne phrase d'intro. Eh salope.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool.
On dirait pas Marius quand il nous, tu sais, quand il nous parle parce qu'on le fait chier.
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me.
Ah,
Hold
Nathan,
on.
t'es à droite.
Yeah, it's coming back to
Il
me.
est très arrogant. Quoi?
Oh,
T'es à droite.
okay. You know what?
Quel
You're
beau
Mr.
chien.
Weapon Hotel.
Quel gros
Ça, ça, c'est toi dans 30 ans après ton master.
Aside from being
Après ton
disgusting,
doctorat.
the ability to never not be wet.
chien.
In
Il Le
all
mec
you
derrière,
whip it
il est...
around and
Mais
when
mec,
it
il est
touches,
tellement petit, c'est fou.
Attends, comment il s'appelle?
Kills himself.
Putain, je sais plus comment il s'appelle.
Good.
Il s'appelle Courpif, je crois.
Ah, voilà, Courpif. Il dirait un peu le nom d'un set nain.
No, like a bitch.
Mais qu'à merde.
The fire.
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am flambé. And you.
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick.
Mais qu'à ma boule. Waouh. Vraiment, les traductions en français, c'est plus la merde quand tu sais la traduction que tu préfères avec, hein, de base. Attends. L'eau, ça lui fait perdre une dent. L'alcool, il a juste les feux qui s'enflamment. Mais bon. Est-ce qu'un petit zozotement, ce serait pas marrant?
Attends,
Non, je suis sûr l'alcool,
quoi?
tiens.
We can do this the easy way.
Sorry. Which way was that?
No, Punch Up. You're literally fanning the flames right now.
Shit, yeah, you're right. Anyone got a rogue? You gotta drop and roll, lad.
Thought he doesn't burn.
Some people become scared before they even know they're hurt. Like babies.
D'accord. Quel était l'intérêt de...
Dick, get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside? Relax. I'm leaving.
Ça, c'est quand même un bon pouvoir, ça, pour faire un boucaquet.
I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art in this.
Mais ce que je suis en train de me dire, c'est que tout le monde, c'est des super-héros. Tout le monde le sait.
Anyone would put
Pourquoi tout le monde garde son masque?
Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually,
On dirait un peu les...
Question, franchement.
On dirait des soirées échangistes.
what happened in there. I walk out
C'est pas on
and
dirait,
the
hein.
bartender's foolish. The whole energy is awkward. And why'd it smell like burnt hair?
I got a little
Ça a
fired up
chauffé.
with the guy, but he ran off before anything happened, so.
Oh, you got fired up.
Yeah. Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these.
Pourquoi on dirait qu'ils vont baiser à chaque phrase qu'ils font?
Stop.
Mais vraiment.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Waouh, c'est beau. Le mec insupportable.
I actually thought you were taking.
C'était Omniman, ça.
Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already. So
I really appreciate you coming to my rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but
Ouais, attends.
all I'm trying to say is thanks. I should have just said that, but yeah, I'm still talking.
don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
Robert Robertson. Quel nom de merde.
Oops.
Say my name.
Okay, I'll tell you, but only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third 3 times this happened?
There was
Mon
Grandpa
Dieu.
Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than
Ouais,
one.
pas très bonne
Boss
tradition.
was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit.
Bon, après ça va, t'es
Which
pas
I
mort non
guess I
plus
don't
dedans,
have
arrête
to
de
worry
pleurer.
about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet, but remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
We can work with this.
Non.
Sorry, I'm actually here with a purpose. The way I went about things tonight, I'm sorry. It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while. What about him?
I work with him at SDN.
La question en mode t'as un doute s'il est mort ou pas.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
My suit was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just...
Bah, déjà seulement ça c'est une bonne nouvelle ça bon.
It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and
Ah bah oui.
plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience.
En même temps bon on gagnera un salaire donc au moins on remboursera ça sera bien.
Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
Wait, so you want me to sit in an office and dispatch heroes?
That's the idea. But just until we get your
Bien joué, vous êtes un employé de bureau lambda.
What's dispatching even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Vraiment.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings and welcome to this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real hero.
C'est
the
bien vrai.
Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start? Well.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
D'accord.
Such an... This graph will show you what a hero does. A hero with a knack for vigor.
Alors.
That sounds like me. Phenomenon. Now that at least one hero is being... A wise choice.
Bon, ça va. On va dire la partie un peu chiante quand même de ça, c'est le tutoriel là. C'est un peu long. Enfin surtout le fait qu'il parle à chaque fois, c'est long.
When a hero returns...
Après ça va être un peu ça, mais bon.
Don't forget to review... On SDN stick... Let's see how well I did. There's
Ça,
no such thing.
80%... 80% ça aurait été affreux si j'aurais pas pu.
Organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
We've got a potential
Alors,
hideout on the college campus.
enquêter,
Sometimes the solution is
interpréter.
brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem. slow and steady.
Bah, on va envoyer
Oh,
elle,
so you
vraiment.
have a keen mind.
Ouais, quoique j'aurais pu envoyer les deux en vrai. Moi, je pense pas que ça aurait changé grand chose.
The museum is doing an exhibit on local superheroes and need a guest speaker.
Bah voilà, on va envoyer
For you,
lui.
baby? Anything.
On va envoyer directement les deux. Comme ça, au moins, on est sûr de réussir.
One of your heroes needs you as their leader. Your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead.
Ah, un truc de culture G. On a 8, ça va. Putain, me faire des pas de danse, mais qui fait ça?
A convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the highway patrol.
As if traffic in this city was not bad enough.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacation?
Alors, détourne l'attention de l'autre.
PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well in advance.
What the fuck is a PTO?
C'est vrai que pour l'instant, tout le monde est un peu en repos. Bon, ça va, j'ai un peu le temps, mais...
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
Bon bah parfait, 100%.
Yes! 10's across the board.
Alors...
Exactly right.
On va envoyer qu'un seul.
The diabolical supervillain El Diablo is attacking Los Angeles General.
Oh no, it's one of my arch nemesises, El Diablo. SDN values work.
Oh god, no. Help us. We're being held hostage. Send help, please.
You can find suggestions on how to handle hostage situations
Ouais, non, mais
on
faudrait elle.
page 234 of SDN's Guide to Dispatching.
Hop.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales. They are superheroes after all.
Let's go. Hop, lui faudrait peut-être que je le fasse.
Crime doesn't pay. I am on the way.
Ouah, je vais jamais réussir. Oh. Quel merdier. Putain, 93% si je réussissais pas.
Excellent dispatching. Dispatcher?
Putain, j'aurais pu ne pas réussir en plus.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question, Phenomenon, does SDN offer 401k matching?
J'en vais les trois.
There are limitations. Your HR representative will have all the details.
Normalement, je suis à 100%, je pense. Ouais, 97. Et si je le rate...
Our shift is done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal? Well, looks like I'm great at this, so that's gonna be bad for your negotiating position. Expect a lengthy...
Hop là. Parfait, Eldor, elle s'en bat les couilles.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Is there a ladder or...
Elle l'a laissé. Bien joué.
Sorry I'm late. Were you a good boy?
Putain, il s'appelle vraiment Biff. Il s'appelle Buff.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Alors. Ok, 52%. 46%, ouais, c'est pas mal. Votre taux de succès pendant le combat contre Toxic était de 76% et c'est mieux que 1% les joueurs. Waouh. Je me suis bien chié, hein, n'empêche. 46% des joueurs et vous avez laissé tomber le sbire. Bon, ça va. On est que 21 à l'avoir fait, ça par contre. 53% des joueurs et vous avez cartonné au tutoriel. Bon, après, il est pas non plus compliqué.
Dang it! I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Maman à la guitare. Oh, ouais, putain.
Happen every day.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
SDN is
Wow. C'est quoi cette pub de merde?
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking because of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial.
Il a l'air d'un con, ouais.
I'm a fan, you might say.
L'air d'un con, c'est quand même un peu méchant, n'empêche.
Not the best actor though, which was important for that commercial to be less weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger. I think if the whole world is a play, then he's still awesome.
Can't argue.
Wow.
Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is, yep. That is,
Just
yeah.
let me help you.
Oh no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Bon, ça va, il a juste les sourcils un peu cramés. Ça fait comme ça le gueule. Mais ça va, il a juste les sourcils un peu cramés.
Oh, okay. Oh, now that your face is next to a side of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
You,
Ça
look
va, il
small
va
and
mettre la...
different in
sous la
person.
tombe.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow, Blazer, Blonde, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something.
Il est pas méchant, mais qu'est-ce qu'il est con.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret.
Oui,
I've had
logique.
incidents in the past. Here. I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you...
Bah, tourne-toi.
Should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
No peeking.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you later.
Look, I'll take your lead. So if it's complicated or whatever, just, you know, let me know when it isn't. It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
No professional lines were crossed.
Alright, right. So just like grinding, clothes on stuff.
See? Knock it off. I just got a little tipsy at our meeting.
A meeting? Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as
Ah,
yourself,
ça y en a un
and
qui aurait été
take them
content de
to
la revoir.
re-enter society to use their powers for amusement.
Well, it was better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
Oh, washed up dad bought superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out.
Ah putain, j'ai pas que t'avais rejoint.
I'll know who it came from.
Ah,
Et que je t'ai
ça marche.
Je crois que je t'ai littéralement invoqué, gros.
Pourquoi?
Parce qu'il y a en gros, je suis sur Dispatch en live. Et il y avait une Visigal qui est à l'écran. J'ai dit, il y en a un qui aurait été content de la revoir.
MDR.
Je me disais, c'est bizarre, j'entends quelqu'un en fond. Et je regarde et Nathan il est mute. Et après je te vois juste au-dessus. Je dis, mais attends, mais il est là, lui.
Mais vous entendez, t'entends pas les...
Non, là pour le coup, non.
Bah moi non plus, je les entends pas en ce moment.
Je pense que des fois c'est juste des bugs.
Well, I'm wet. I see why
Non,
you
ça
like
fait un
it.
moment, j'entends
Look at that
rarement.
trip.
C'est souvent une personne que j'entends pas.
Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
Connected. Allô?
We have a
Ouais, ouais.
weekly ranking
Ouais.
list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the
Nickel.
bottom.
She called herself Invisivage when she was a villain. We're trying to
Ah
rebrand her.
putain.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Ouais, vraiment.
The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Ça va, il a pas de bedaine, hein. Mais du coup, on a attaqué le journaliste, et c'était la scène était vraiment marrante à voir. Hein. tu peux.
C'est hilar, il était mort de rire quand.
Mais toi aussi, t'étais mort de rire, arrête.
Oui, mais non, mais. Parce que t'as un rire communicatif, frère.
Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN, tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
3 Ds?
Dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with superhearing. He's from, I want to say...
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy. Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
Excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little...
Corny?
Corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? People call me Roy, but people call me Roy. Alright. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise. So roid, like steroid?
Huh? No, brother. No, cuz. Listen. The 3 other guys here, they go by the name Royd. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Royd? Like I'm on steroids. But they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Royd not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
Yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone knows who I am.
Putain, quel genre de phrase.
No basis and Roy need to know. I don't want to come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro, I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this.
En attendant, je vais t'enculer si je commence à entendre tes vidéos de merde.
Skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
I'm still confused.
Oh, right. Because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy
shit.
shit.
Yeah, you fucking. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it,
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers.
Eh ouais.
I moved 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. and I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce of pity from you, I will run you over in a parking lot and say it was an accident. They'll believe me because it looks like I'm wearing diapers.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Mon Dieu, l'humour noir qu'il faut.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Hey,
Sonar
Sonar.
is a Harvard graduate
who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a
Crime, détournement, chantage, possession de drogue, contrefaçon, fraude, blanchiment d'argent, parjure et cyberharcèlement. Ouais, faut le faire quand même.
Flambe, he...
Incendie volontaire, agression dans les... Ça va.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Invisigal, who you
Agression, larcin, vol.
turned herself in a few
Bon.
months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious? Really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Quel connard.
Here we have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say.
Agression armée, chantage, assassinat, enlèvement, harcèlement. Harcèlement n'empêche.
Punch up.
Carnival strongman who made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Agression, violation de liberté conditionnelle, ivresse, survoi public, meurtre. Ah ouais, quand même.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
Agression, cambriolage, chantage, contrefaçon, enlèvement, meurtre. Ah ouais, non mais...
That's Golem. He is a construct.
A construct?
Yeah. Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic.
Complicité, trouble à l'ordre public, vandalisme. Ça va.
Prison. Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponized light rays and some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a
Agression,
pop
possession
star?
de drogue,
She's
conduite en état
actually
de... Ouais,
super
d'accord.
talented.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
This computer's older than you look.
Ouais, c'est vrai que quand tu vois la gueule de l'ordi,
Wait, so
t'as peur. Hein.
we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey team, this is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Commencer 2 fois.
Tell me that's not your real first name, bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking
Valide crash out.
Keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid
Pourquoi ça a quitté? Oh.
fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we
D'accord.
pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Ah, c'est vraiment sa gueule maintenant.
My son's balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Grimper dans un arbre 12 mètres pour récupérer une rouge, ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Il me faut surtout de la mobilité, quoi. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant, bon, ça va être compliqué. Ah, t'as me casser les couilles. C'est important. Une narration très médiatisée à Van Gogh, envoyer quelqu'un qui donnera une bonne image. En même temps, ouais, c'est la seule avec le blabla.
Going now. I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Quel enfoiré. Wouah. Chaud au cul. Un jongleur.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip.
Ah, gros, t'es toujours là?
Your subconscious will be dead.
Moi?
Ouais.
Ouais, mais j'ai pas tardé à partir.
Non, c'est juste, tu vois, les moments où tu sais, c'est tricky et tu sais que. Tu sais, pour. Mince, comment expliquer ça? Tu sais, les moments où tu devais faire. Les fins de mission et tu sais, que ça te mettait les pourcentages, tu sais, et que tu devais espérer que ça fasse. Le bon truc.
Non, je vois pas ce que tu parles.
Sur Dispatch.
Oui,
Quand...
mais je vois pas ce que tu parles.
Bah, en gros, quand t'envoyais quelqu'un et qui avait le retour.
Générique.
Non, le retour de mission.
Ah non. Oui.
Et tu sais, quand tu devais espérer que ton truc reste dans la zone. Dès la première mission, littéralement, j'aurais pu la rater. J'étais à plus 75%.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
I'm already going this way. Yeah. Trust me. I can handle this a lot faster on my own. So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you. Shut the fuck up.
Let's go. Bon, après, je pense pas que ça aurait changé un truc, ça.
Flambe, you're off route.
Où est-ce qu'il va, ce con? Bon, ça va.
Pretty good for our first day.
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Whatever, man.
Swift as the knife. Sharp as my knife.
shush. On my way.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Le Fedrin. On va faire avec ça. Moi j'ai plus de poil assez. Let's go. On va pirater le système. Ah. Voilà.
Hey, it's me again, Galen. Blazer. Hey, a hero ranked up. Good.
Option amélioration.
Every rank up earns. Use the plus icon next to a stat to save a point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Ce que vous avez fait vous, c'est quoi? C'est augmenter les capacités les plus basses ou commencer par les capacités déjà les plus hautes?
On a essayé de faire en sorte d'avoir des capacités qui sortaient un peu du lot, de monter un côté des persos d'un coup.
Ok.
Genre, par exemple, lui, je crois qu'on a monté la résistance et l'attaque. Pour monter un côté, tu vois.
Ouais, je pense que
Et
elle, je
on a
pense que
laissé le reste pour.
elle serait pas
Ouais.
mal de monter plutôt la mobilité et l'intelligence, je pense. Comme elle est déjà à 3 et 3 et qu'elle peut déjà augmenter sa mobilité, tu vois.
C'est toi de voir.
We've encountered these thieves before.
Tu lui as pas mis. Hein.
Ah merde. Putain, mais y'en a aucun qui est intelligent.
Nous, on avait mis qui un intelligent? On avait mis.
Je pense que je vais partir sur Sonar et. Mal au venin.
Un prisme, je crois, ouais.
Oh, sick.
I know, right? I think I'm liking this benevolent devil vibe.
T'as fait tir ratio. Hein.
Vraiment, heureusement que ça rebondit vraiment là. Elle, je vais rester sur le charisme par contre. Parce que pour l'instant, je m'en sers surtout pour ça avec elle. Bon, ça va. T'imagines arriver là, genre.
Okay, what's going on, Sonar?
Ah putain, oui, c'est vrai qu'il a ça.
Yeah, he kind of randomly turns into a monster.
C'est chiant, hein.
Ah ouais, tant que ça?
We are working on controlling it.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Putain, il faut que j'attende qu'il se repose, ce con.
Tu vas l'envoyer?
Oui.
D'accord.
Mais la dernière fois que je l'ai fait, ça avait marché. Ah putain, mais il est comme ça. Je crois pas que ça change.
Sure. Go ahead.
Thanks, man. You will not regret this.
Tu sais que j'ai un gros truc, j'ai un gros
I
doute.
would until you said that.
Encourage.
Kid's a hustler. I get it.
Heading there. How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
Where that happened?
I set this car on fire. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Quoi?
Putain, je sais plus si... Putain, je me rappelle même plus ce que j'ai fait. En même temps, gros, il est...
Il est pas le problème, c'est qu'il est pas intelligent, là.
Yourself. Goes a long way.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Ah, les bâtards. Ah, c'est
Comment
des...
t'as réussi? Enfin,
Improvise, je vais arriver, c'était vraiment ça. Ouais, mais en même temps, il était comme ça, ce fils de pute. La dernière fois, je l'avais pas...
on a utilisé ça?
Alright, take down the thieves, not the art.
I cannot make any promises.
Putain, je suis dégoûté. Je voulais qu'il réussisse ce truc.
Just, you know, give him a pep talk.
Oh, sure. I'll give him a pep talk, all right. I'm stacking mad dubs today, baby.
Granny's?
Ah, putain, non.
Oh, bordel.
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Ah, je suis obligé de l'envoyer.
Oui.
I got
Ça-
this. Seriously, don't worry about it. I'll be so fine.
Non. Ce n'est pas réellement.
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy who, I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to
Je
be
sais
on
que la dernière fois, j'ai pris celui-là.
whatever, superhero shit.
À nous.
Just a plain ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slap that donut around on your face a little before you put it in your mouth.
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt.
C'est des gros malades quand même avec leur dialogue.
Get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click beside her and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
Access denied. Let's go.
Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ouais, il est l'heure pour moi d'aller dodo.
Ok. Nul
Bonne nuit.
ref.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Ah, vraiment.
Ugh.
Je suis sûr que je peux trouver le mot de passe facilement. Ouais, merde. J'espère que c'est pas chronométré.
This node represents a code to use
Oh
later.
bah,
Remember
ah ouais, j'étais presque.
Alright, what do we got here?
Perp, Danny, who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Et bam!
Damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Duck! Shit. Invisible bitch. Invisigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Bah, avec ce que tu vas faire surtout.
I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Come on, come on, come on. Got him.
Oh bah. Au bas. Gauche haut. Au bas, gauche. Au bas, gauche haut. Whoa.
Granny, I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Okay, disarm Granny before the thing blows his face off. It looks super unstable.
So your expert opinion is
Attack the client. Fuck that.
I did think your way in scared the shit. I'm taking out the guy who's been trying to kill me.
That wasn't a suggestion, it's a direct... Hey, Invisigal, you okay? Hey, are you okay? Come in.
I'm fine. But this guy, less fine. Smells like bacon a little. It's gross, but it's also kind of not bad.
Great. Okay, where's the perp? Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Putain.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Ça va, un échec. C'est déjà pas mal. Ouais, un peu de mobilité pour elle. Des Twinkies. Je sais pas si ça peut vraiment être si bon que ça, les Twinkies.
Hey. Ah, shit. What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
I can't just disappear, okay? I actually have to face my problems.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
Look at me. You disobeyed a direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the client hurt. I don't think when he called us, he thought he'd be any of the day winking at Lefty because you turned his other arm into a
Fine if Granny didn't pick that fucking thing up in the first place. He's just some dumbass trying to be a hero.
Bah là, ouais.
Say it, I know where you're going.
Le pire, c'est que vraiment, je lui dis désarme-le. Non. Et elle a quand même réussi à louper la mission.
You ask for help, then I can. What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero.
Ouais, pas très sympa.
Video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without its shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man.
Vas-y, speak up, bro, speak up.
That'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Je crois pas qu'elle ait trop aimé.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Petite pêche dans la gueule.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Et non, l'autre il s'est pris un gros coup de poing dans la gueule.
Help yourself.
Ah, pas mal.
What happened to your nose?
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
I get nosebleeds when it's this dry. The air in the office.
Merde, non.
It's on the dry side.
Is it on the dry side? I'll have facilities look into it. All right, boys. We're here to assess Robert's first shift. And aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real.
So
she ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got
Après bon, on travaille qu'est-ce qu'on peut.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look.
Et à quel épisode là?
Au premier. J'ai relancé une partie, mais de toute façon j'étais pas plus loin que ça.
If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be
Après sur ça, il a pas non plus très tort. Hein.
I'm all in and they need to match.
Oh, what the fuck?
C'est affreux, tu sais que je suis toujours en AP en live.
Ah ouais?
L'autre il est en train de péter roter, non mais tranquille.
Tranquille.
Ça, tant que tu te tapes pas une queue.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work, but it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah. No. I did this. It's weird because yeah, I saw this lady smiling lady.
Et parfait, elle m'a écrasé mon donuts.
Desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Hero?
Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure.
Putain, il joue à Getting Over It, il a du courage.
You help me get. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah. Great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Oh, la vision d'horreur.
Hey, I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
Mec, j'ai repris la salle la dernière fois. J'ai juste fait une séance, mais ça se voit que mes bras ils ont pas travaillé autant. Tu vois, le maximum que je puisse faire c'est ça, alors que normalement je pourrais un peu plus les étendre.
Ouais.
Bon, après j'ai fait épaule, bras et enfin épaule et biceps.
Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomeman. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about.
Voilà.
Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes.
Tu pourrais quand même un peu plus sourire aussi.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great.
Ouais, gros.
We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing. Even if that life...
Putain, mais il change de jeu comme de chemise, le Kay. Il part sur Getting Over It et ensuite il part sur Golf Gang. Tu vois, dans 30 secondes, il va partir sur un autre jeu.
It was very nice to meet you, Third Robert Robertson.
Ah, il était sur Getting Over It? Ah, mais
Ouais.
en stream?
Non, je crois pas.
My launch has been known to stun
Non.
Mais comment tu sais?
Parce que sur Steam, ça affiche.
Ah oui, ok. Ah oui. Tiens. Ah, waouh.
Putain, et ça, je crois que c'est que le premier chapitre. Hein.
Oh, mec, je lag, ça grand bien.
Attends, j'étais au premier. Attends. J'étais au premier chapitre ou au deuxième? Non, je crois que je suis au deuxième chapitre là. Bon, dans tous les cas, je vais m'arrêter là. 93% des joueurs Evo avaient fait un check à Lloyd. On n'avait pas dit, bah après bon. On n'avait pas proposé un rencard au grand et 80. Ça va. Ouais, mais je suis dégoûté que ce soit mal passé ça par contre. Les Fightmen. Je suis mieux que 50% des joueurs, ça va. Bon, bah on va s'arrêter là. Hein. On aura fait deux épisodes sur je ne sais combien. Mais voilà. Bon allez. Sur ce, ciao ciao. Et à une prochaine.